Good everyone, apologies for the lack of audio from the footage. I'm going to chop a couple of trees down from this red area here. I intend to fall them into the space between the plants shown here. Let's get into it and drop the first one. So I'll go over there and cut it down. So we drop the first one and it goes straight into that area which I want to. I don't want it going left into the barn. Got to be a bit wary of it there. So the next few clips I've sped up the footage just to make it go by a bit quicker. So here we are with the forks, and what I'll do is I'll just crush that down, and then it makes it easier for me to transport it, pick it up, take it round to the burn pile. And here's another one of me picking up some of the logs, just moving them and transporting them out of the way so that I can drop the other trees into that area, and then I can process them logs later. Another part of me picking up more brush and getting that out of the way. There's a small tree which I've got to move out of the way first. Okay, so let's drop this next tree. So this one had a bit of a lean on it, so I just wanted to make sure I'm taking my time with it. I don't want it falling towards the barn because that will obviously make a big dent in it, and I don't want to be doing that. So I'm just taking my time, and essentially we'll just get that wedge cut in, get the back cut out, and now it should start to fall now. So there we go, drops into the place that we designated. We're just going to process that now and get it all sorted. So I got a bit of the processing done, but then I had to go away and do something else on the farm. So it gets a bit later. When it goes to the next clip, I just need to clear the rest of this stuff to free up the track to make it accessible again. And this part here, I just used some chains, wrapped it around that main trunk and pulled it out of the way. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. And thanks for watching.